Here are the Biden administration's proposed changes to capital gains tax rates. Capital gains tax rates. Current rates. Currently, when you sell an asset for more than you paid for it, you incur a capital gain. The tax rate on long-term capital gains depends on your income. For most people, it's 15%. For high earners, it's 20%. Additionally, there's a 3.8% net investment income tax for certain high-income individuals. Biden's proposed changes. President Biden aims to increase the top marginal income tax rate from the current 37% to 39.6%. For taxpayers with income above $1 million, the long-term capital gains rate would also increase to 39.6%. When you add the 3.8% NIIT, the total capital gains rate could reach 44.6% for high-income earners. Unrealized gain tax. What is it? Currently, you only pay capital gains tax when you sell an asset. The new proposal introduces a tax on unrealized gains, meaning you don't tax even if you haven't sold the asset yet. Who does it affect? Households with net wealth over $100 million would be subject to this tax. It targets the super wealthy who have significant unrealized gains in assets like stocks, real estate, or other investments. How does it work? If your net wealth exceeds $100 million, you pay a minimum effective tax rate of 20% on the expanded measure of income. This tax would apply annually even if you don't sell any assets. You'd have the option to pay the first year's minimum tax liability in 9 equal annual installments. Example, let's say you're a billionaire with a large stock portfolio. Here's how these changes might affect you. Current scenario, you only pay capital gains tax when you sell stocks. If you sell $1 million worth of stocks with a $500,000 gain, you'd owe 20% of that gain. Proposed scenario, even if you don't sell any stocks, you'd owe a minimum tax on your unrealized gains. If your unrealized gains on stocks are $10 million, you'd owe 20% of that annually. Remember, these proposals are still subject to legislative approval, and the final details may change. But they highlight the administration's efforts to address wealth inequality and raise revenue from the wealthiest individuals.